minsan pahihirapan ka muna talaga niya. Kasi kailangan niyang i-prepare ang heart mo.
So pag may pinagdadaanan tayong masakit, mahirap sa panahon ngayon, dapat pala magpasalamat tayo because this is a preparation for a bigger blessing that's coming. What we have to do now is to pass this test.
Hindi lang natin nakikita pa. Parang tapestry or puzzle. Alam mo yung puzzle?
Yeah.
Diba? Yung jigsaw pa isa-isa. Hindi mo nabubuo, hindi mo pa alam. Lalo na kapag wala kang picture nung puzzle.
Ang labo nung
Ang labo.
image.
Pero pag tapos na, di ba, wow! Ganda pala. Yung pala yung dahilan. Be patient with the Lord. Trust Him 100%. Huwag kang bibitiw. Lalo na pag mahirap. Pinagdadaanan mo. When it's easier to let go, when it's easier to question Him, when it's easier to say, why me? Yun yung times na dapat na faith. Di ba yung verse? Faith is being sure of what you hope for and certain of what you do not see. Kaya nga yung testing of the faith is going through difficulties.
And now it's your testimony.
That's right. Yung test naging testimony.
Yeah.